All right, today we're going to talk about keyboard shortcuts. Keyboard shortcuts are really easy ways to do things quickly on your computer without actually having to use your mouse. So for example, I'm just in Google Docs here and I've typed something out, but let's say I want to make this text bold. There's a couple of keyboard shortcuts that I can use in order to make this bold really quickly. The first one is if you hold Control, which is this button right here in red, and then you hit A after it, it selects all the text at once. So it highlights everything that's on the entire screen and selects it. And then if I wanted to make it bold really quick, I would hold Control again and then hit B for bold, and it made my text bold. If your text is already bold, you can hold Control B again and it turns bold off. So it's a quick way of doing it without hitting the bold button on Google Sheet or Google Docs. We can also italicize things quickly, underline things quickly, make them bold as well. So you can kind of do things pretty quick with this. Now, most shortcut keys always have you hold Control and then hit another key to make it do something. There are some shortcuts that you use the Windows button and you hold that before you hit another key. Some you hold Alt before you hit another key. Sometimes you do a combination of Control and Shift and then hit another key. It depends on what the shortcut is. Now today we're going to have you look at some shortcuts that are most commonly used, learn what they are. You can practice them if you want, and then you can use the Google slide presentation like flashcards to practice and partner up and practice with someone else. At the end, there's going to be a test on the Google or on the shortcuts on Google Forms for you to demonstrate your knowledge of how to do it. So I would suggest working through those shortcuts and practicing them a little bit and testing each other. So there are a lot of them, about 25 or so. So practice them. These are the most common ones that we use.